How to download and install free MP3 cutter and editor. So if you want to download and install free MP3 cutter and editor, then it's extremely simple and handy. It has a Windows software which is very handy for editing MP3 files. Now, in order to download, you need to first open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Now here, you need to enter free MP3 cutter and editor MuseTips and then press the enter key and you'll get this kind of interface. So go with the first one, and here on the right side you will have download free MP3 cutter and editor. So you just need to simply click on that option, and as you can see that on the top it has started the downloading process. But if it has not started, then you just need to simply click on it again and then go with download in secure file and it will start. Now once the file has been installed or once the setup file has been downloaded, you just need to simply go with your downloads again. And from here you need to click on that setup file. Once you click on the setup file, it will ask you if you want to allow the app, so you need to go with yes, and it will ask you if you want to install, so you just need to simply go with next, and yes, I accept the agreement, and then go with next and select the location, or you can also go with browse and then set the location where you would like to install it and go with next again. And finally you can click on install and it will start the installing process. So in this way you'll be able to download and install free MP3 cutter and editor, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.